Sensational. It's amazing.
Inside door number 1 is door number 2.
Oh, there it is. That's ours.
Freeze!
Should have brought
And you can
Oh yeah, wala mo ganda na-expect. You could have bought Woolies.
could have headache.
actually have been guys, say hello to my little friend. Book anything? It's Mikael's fault, yeah?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, and that bling chandelier.
May heater?
I hope no one murders us inside.
Turn on the fireplace. You know how to do it?
Yeah?
Fireplace. Because it's really cold.
We might fire the place.
We will burn the place.
Ito sila.
Yeah, okay.
We didn't fix the bed.
Ako dali.
Yeah.
I got ya, mate. I got ya. I got ya.
And this is our info tonight, and right outside is I can open the goddamn door, but yep, it's a Bobby, and it's like a little garden, and some chairs, and just upstairs. And it's not too bad, but you know, you have to deal with it, guys. We didn't book anything. It's Mikael's fault, yeah. Yeah, and that bling chandelier. I hope no one murders us inside tonight. I don't wanna die.
Around 3 a.m. Guys, have you slept? No, not yet. Have you slept? No, not yet.
Let's go to
Just one room.
Because there might be something hiding in the cupboard.
These creeps me out, man.
Yeah, you really want to open it.
He's like that all the time.
Good night.
Like,
Sweet dreams.
JM, can you hold my hand? Your hands are cold.
You